welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. So today is day 25 and we're going to be talking about archival ink. So archival inks are a really special ink and it's something I get asked about a lot, like when do I use archival, all those kinds of things. And for me, I personally prefer archival so much more to something like staz-on, and it's a very similar ink. It doesn't smell like it does, it's not so thick and gloopy, you get a much finer image, and it comes under the Wendy Vecchi designer series at Ranger. It comes in all of her amazing colours that her Makeup Blendable comes in, and you can get it in a few different sizes. So you can get these lovely little small sizes here that come in these tins. You can get a regular ink size, like a pad size, or you can get the jumbo pad. So if there's a colour that you really, really like, so maybe the black, you use it all the time, then you can get it in that jumbo. And the cool thing about the jumbo is this here, you just kind of clip out in here, and it comes off the top, and then you have a really nice big pad to work with. So that's really nice. Now archival is archival quality, of course, so it's acid free, it's completely permanent, it's going to dry on your non-porous surfaces, and it's waterproof, so it's great to use with watercolors. You do not want to use it with Copics because it will smudge. It's solvent based, so the solvents are going to interact in there. But you can put it on things like fabric. This is something Wendy Vecchi made at a class I went to, and she heat set it with an iron, and that meant that it's now completely permanent. So you can absolutely make it permanent on fabric and things as well, which I really, really like. Actually, we want those. But what I really wanted to share with you is some of the other properties you have. So you can make notes on your tag all about, you know, the fact it's waterproof. You can heat set it on fabric. You can use it on non-porous surfaces. It's great with watercolors, and it's of course archival quality. So I'm just going to ink this up with Acorn. Acorn's a really nice color. There's a couple of magical colors in the Wendy Vecchi color palette, but Acorn is just a nice, it's not quite black, it's, you know, it's obviously a dark brown, but it's just nice to have that option to not always have to have black. But a lot of people don't realize is that you can ink blend with archival inks, which makes them super, super cool. And I'm just going to grab one of my little daubers out here, and I'm going to pick up some of this orange blossom, and I'm going to start adding colour. So you see here how I can add my orange blossom. Of course, I could use her stencil system. If you didn't see that, go check out our Wendy Vecchi Makeup Blendable Day. But she has an awesome system that goes with her stamps. But look, I can blend really, really nice in my archivals. Yes, I have to be reasonably quick. Smaller areas with little daubers, in my experience, work the best. But they're just really, really cool inks. So it's, say, something I get asked about a lot. So I'm going to highlight again those key things. So we have completely permanent, and it works on a non-porous surface, which is really nice to have a nice crisp ink. I find staz-on very gloopy, whereas the archival, you can see it gets nice fine lines. So non-pore, not sure I spelled that right, but these are my notes, so it doesn't matter. Of course, waterproof and heat set on fabric. So that hopefully answers all of your top questions about archival. One further thing I wanted to just share with you is about cleaning, because you're going to struggle to get archival off your stamps. And a really good investment is this Archival Ink Cleaner. It has a little dauber top on it, and literally you just turn it up, just dab some on like this, and then a piece of kitchen towel or your regular chamois, however you want. I usually have something separate for permanent inks. And you just wipe across, and now my stamp is nice and clean. So the archival cleaner is really, really important. As always, we have our coupon for the whole month long over at Ranger. We'll make sure it's linked in that blog post for you, so you can just go over there and click it. Check out the blog post in the description below, and I'm going to be back tomorrow with Simon Hurley inks. I have a giveaway of a full goodie bag of his things. I've got stamps in there and inks and all sorts of things. So you want to come join me for that. So be sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, of course, and all of those fun things. Join the community, and I will see you again tomorrow. Hopefully your top questions on archival inks are answered. If not, leave me a comment and let me know, and I'll see you then. Bye.